નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to the 8th part of chapter 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants of Standard 7 Science. In the last part we discussed the function, structure, internal structure and function of the heart. Then after we started the discussion about heartbeat. And what we discussed in the last part about heartbeat, then we can say the walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. Then these muscles contract and relax rhythmically. Then the rhythmic contraction followed by its relaxation constitute a heartbeat. Then after, a doctor uses stethoscope as a device to amplify the sound of the heart. So that what we discussed in the last part. In this part, first of all, open page number 125 in your textbook, and then let's discuss the next part, that is 8th part. So, a doctor uses a stethoscope as a device to amplify the sound of the heart. A doctor uses a stethoscope as a device to amplify the sound of heart. It consists of a chest piece. Let's see. It consists of a chest piece and a tube joining the parts. See, you can see this is a chest piece. In your textbook also that figure is there. This is a chest piece and the tube. You can see this is the tube. Tube joining two parts. Tube joining two parts. You can see these two parts. Okay. Doctors can get clues about the condition of your heart by listening through a stethoscope. Once again, doctors can get clues about the condition of your heart by listening through a stethoscope. Now, how they will get clue? See, generally that heart beats rhythmically, isn't it? And if it is not in rhythm, then automatically doctor will come to know that the condition of your heart. What is the condition of your heart? Now let us construct a model of a stethoscope with the materials that are available around us. So now we will construct a stethoscope. Take a small funnel of 6 to 7 centimeter in diameter. Suppose this is a funnel and it is 6 to 7 centimeter in diameter. Then fix a rubber tube 50 centimeter long tightly to the stem of the funnel. See, you can see there is a rubber tube of the length 50 centimeter, and we have to fix it at the stem of the funnel. We have to fix it at the stem of the funnel. Stretch a rubber sheet or a balloon on the mouth of the funnel. Now stretch a rubber sheet or the balloon on the mouth of the funnel. Here you can see the mouth of the funnel where the plastic sheet or rubber or a balloon or rubber sheet is on the funnel. We have to fix it tightly with a rubber band. So यहाँ पे then after fix a rubber band over here also. Then put the open end of the tube on one of your ear. See, this is the open end of the tube which you will have to keep or to the your ears here, है ना? Put the open end of the tube on one of your ear and place the mouth of the funnel on your chest, and place this mouth of the funnel on your chest over here, somewhere over here on the left side. Now try to listen carefully. Now try to listen carefully. Do you hear a regular thumping sound? A regular thumping sound? The sound is that of heartbeats. The sound is that of heartbeats. How many times did your heart beat in a minute? How many times did your heart beat in a minute? Count again after running for 4 to 5 minutes. See, first of all, while you are standing, while you are resting, count that. Okay, that how many times your heart beats in a minute. Then after, what you will do, you will go for running for 4 to 5 minutes, and once again count the heartbeat after running, and compare your observation. Record your own pulse rate and heartbeat and that of your friends while resting and after running, and record in table 11.2. Do you find any relationship between your heartbeat and pulse rate? So first of all, let's discuss this table and record our pulse rate, and then after we will discuss further, or we will discuss the conclusion of this activity. So on the page number 125, can you see 11.2, table 11.2, heartbeat and pulse rate. Let's first of all draw this table. So here it is the name of student, isn't it? Then after the while resting, and then while after running. But what? The heartbeat and the pulse rate. Heartbeat and pulse rate. Same way here also, heartbeat and okay. See, with the help of the handmade stethoscope, you will be able to count the heartbeat, and while putting your hand over here, you will be able to count the or record the pulse rate like that. Okay, and then after we have to compare it. So suppose the name of the student is A. Now if the heartbeat of student A is 72, then you will find the pulse rate 72. Pulse rate also 72, because both be at the same time. But after running, you will find the heartbeat have increased. Why? Because we are running. Our body requires more energy, and we know that what happens for energy. And that is why you will find the heartbeat up to say 81, 82. But then what it will be the heartbeat, the same rate will be the pulse rate. Okay, and let's go for the second also. Suppose the name is B, and if the heartbeat is 74, then pulse rate also will be 74. And if the heartbeat is say 84, then pulse rate also will be 84. So you go for 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 of your friends and find out the heartbeat and pulse rate. Now, after this activity, what is the conclusion? It is in the page, on the page number 126. Each heartbeat generate one pulse. So one heartbeat generate one pulse. That is why each heartbeat generates one pulse in the arteries, and the pulse rate per minute indicate the rate of the heartbeat. See, because of the pulse, because of the heartbeat, the pulse rate is generated. So the heartbeat, as per the heartbeat, the pulse will be there, है ना? And that is why so the pulse rate per minute indicates the rate heartbeat, and both are same. Both the things used to be same. Each heartbeat generates a pulse in the arteries, and the pulse rate per minute indicates the rate of heartbeats. The heartbeat and pulse rate are same when calculated or reported or counted, isn't it? While resting and after running, we can see that both are same. While resting, heartbeat and pulse rate, if you will count, then also it will be the same. And after running also, the heartbeat and pulse rate will be the same. So this is the end of this part, and in the next part we will go for excretion in animals. We will discuss the excretion in animals, the excretory organs also. Okay, by this time we are ending this part, and go for this activity at your home. It is very easy to make or construct a stethoscope at your home also, and that is why go for this activity, and we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.